Gauge Credit Stage with Quinn Credit Repair. Go into here is the ratings and how they actually break this down. There's two scale systems. There's letters and one that is numbers. The one that is numbers is pretty straightforward. It's 1 through 10. So 1 being a prime borrower and very low risk, and 10 being a high risk, likely to default borrower. And then on the letters, we've got AAA, we've got AA.
My name is Harry, and I'm an alcoholic.
Hi, Harry.
We got A. We got BBB, not to be confused with the Better Business Bureau. And we got BB. We got B.
Oh no, a giant bee!
And so on. And obviously, if you're in the C and D range, you're a high risk of default. Ideally, you want to be in the low risk range, which is any variation of A, ideally. Depending on where you fall within those, each bank has their own tier list as far as what approvals they can give if you hit that criteria, what interest rates you could even get. If you're a high risk client, they're not going to give you an interest rate under 10% typically, depending on what it is. They can require more documentation. Sometimes this is a deterrent for people just needing to dig up old tax records or anything like that. So they might ask for more information. And then a lack of flexibility on your loan terms. So if you have a good credit score, they might offer a longer term that makes sense for you. And then there's still some wiggle room that you can go back and forth. Do a shorter term if you want to have it paid off sooner. Do a longer term if you want a lower payment. And there's some wiggle room there. Whereas if you're obviously on the higher risk end, they're already doing you a favor by extending you the offer. There's not as much wiggle room as far as a longer term or a shorter term. You just got to take what you get. You can learn a lender's language just like you can learn Spanish or German or Mandarin or any other language out there. Way easier language to learn, and you get financial benefit from doing it.